Hello, this is Mike Pennacchi, owner of Network Protocol Specialists. In our video today, we will be taking a look at the factors that impact voice over IP quality and how we can use the OptiView XG for doing both pre-deployment testing and troubleshooting of voice over IP traffic. There are several factors that impact our voice over IP traffic. These are latency, jitter, and packet loss. If we have high latency, this can result in one speaker talking over the other and an overall slowdown of the conversation between the two people. Jitter represents the variation in inter-packet arrival time. High jitter results in poor voice quality. To compensate for jitter, the receiving device uses a jitter buffer. Unfortunately, if we have to increase our jitter buffer to overcome high jitter, we run into the same problems as high latency. Packet loss will result in broken or choppy speech. It makes it difficult to understand the person at the other end of the call. To overcome some of these problems, we can implement quality of service along the path. This allows us to prioritize voice over IP traffic over data traffic. Jitter has less impact on the data traffic, so by delaying the data traffic and prioritizing the voice over IP traffic, we can achieve better voice quality. However, for QoS to work properly, it must be implemented across the entire path between the two devices. So let's take a look at where the OptiView XG fits into ensuring your voice over IP implementation is a success. The network performance test on the OptiView XG allows us to set our bandwidth and packet size parameters, then measure the latency, packet loss, and jitter along the path, as well as validating our quality of service is working properly. The OptiView XG supports the use of both software and hardware endpoints as a device at the far end to do our testing. The use of the software endpoint means that you don't have to ship a piece of hardware out to the remote location to validate voice over IP quality. With the ability to run up to 8 concurrent streams, we can test multiple locations at the same time, reducing the amount of time necessary to validate multiple links prior to deployment. Once these tests have been configured, all of the parameters can be saved to a file. This allows the test to be reliably repeated in the future without the need to set each of the thresholds. Should any of the tests fail, we can then use the other tools that are integrated into the OptiView XG, such as path analysis and the automated router and switch health checks, to determine where along the path the problem exists. Once a fix has been applied, the performance test can be rerun to ensure the desired result has been achieved. Whether you're getting ready to deploy a new voice over IP network or troubleshooting your existing implementation, the OptiView XG will provide you with the tools necessary to validate the network is working properly for handling voice over IP traffic. To learn more about how the OptiView XG can help you troubleshoot your network problems, please visit www.enterprise.netscout.com/OptiView.